What is going on, YouTube people? Today we are talking RC servos, and currently I am waiting on a warranty replacement on my servo. And boy, Red Cat is lightning fast with some of their shipping, so I've got it coming within the next couple days. But I just wanted to get a jump start on it. I'm going to disassemble everything. But the other day, I started noticing a little bit of instability, slop in my driving, and I thought maybe my servo horn had loosened, or I just wasn't quite sure. But it turns out, if you can see here, it's definitely blown a gear, or I don't know. I think when I do get the new one, I might disassemble this, see what the inside looks like, see if there's an obvious answer. But I'm not sure if you can hear there on the camera, but you can hear the gears whining when they move, which is the way it's supposed to sound. But then if you just barely get it going, there's about I'd say at least a couple centimeters, maybe more, of play. Extremely noticeable. See if I turn it this way, get a better. Here, let's see here. So that's touching like left to right before it actually engages the actual servo, and it's just not right. That's not how it's supposed to be. But luckily, mechanical things, it just happens like that. I might have blown it because of the gyro, but I was looking on their website, their voltage ranges, and I'll put it on the screen, all the way up to I think like 7 or 8 volts, and so does the gyro. So I'm not sure if this servo is programmable, which would be really, really cool. And if so, how? I'm actually going to call customer service and dive a little bit more into that. So maybe in the next video, you'll hear some more information on it, because currently making this video, it's Sunday. But tomorrow, I will find out more, because it says if it's up to spec, it can go all the way from, I think it was like 3 volts, 3 something volts, all the way up to 7 or 8 volts. And if you don't have proper voltage, or if you have over voltage from a component, you're definitely going to blow it. But not exactly sure. A lot of locking and slamming maybe could have done it. I'm not exactly sure. Or sometimes mechanical things just go bad. That's why they offer that 1-year warranty. And so it's really no sweat, because they were able to get it out within like 3-4 days. And I'm going to be back up and running. But it's a good opportunity to find out. I'm going to open this up, and we're just going to find out some more, because I was drifting pretty good still with it, but I knew something was wrong. So
summer's here, and with a new Toyota, you can go from here all the way to here. Made it.
Qualified lessees can lease a new 2025 Tundra SR5 for $489 a month for 36 months. Toyota, let's go places.
Find big deals at Best Buy this Memorial Day. The savings end soon.
alrighty, got that servo out of the chassis, got everything else just hanging out waiting for the new one. But what's actually cool is I did not know the center of this is aluminum. So that's metal aluminum, some type of top and bottom are plastic, but then the center is aluminum. And I was actually seeing in the description for heat dissipation. So pulling it out, that I can confirm that. Drift spec and hex fly, the exact model HXDS, drift servo, digital servo, HX, hex fly. But yeah, so now I'm gonna unbolt this and see what it's looking like. And I'm actually seeing, I don't know if that is a like a gasket, like a seal. But yeah, let's split this open. Let's see what's inside of it. Alrighty, let's go. Next day, we have got the servo. I've got the old one here. We've got the new one here. I emailed customer service about the possibility of it being programmable because I saw those different voltage rates. So we'll see what they say back about that. But in the meantime, let's get this slapped back into the RDS. And I'm ready to hit the local drift track for the day. So let's get this going. And what I want to do first before anything is make sure the servo works. I'm just gonna connect it and double check that it's all working properly, and then I want to zero out my controller, zero out the servo, and I'm going to center my servo horn 100%, so that way I don't have any have to adjust anything. It can be true dead center with the servo horn. We're gonna be rocking and rolling right there. Yes, sir. So something to note, not the biggest problem, and I noticed it on the last one, so I wasn't sure if it was just that one or all of them. The servo, the way the gears are cut and the way it's aligned, no matter what, it doesn't quite sit true center. And on my endpoints or my sub trim, 100% zero for left to right. And so when I turn it on, this is where it sets to zero. And you know, it is what it is. But I will adjust the sub trim on the controller to make it sit true zero. So just something to note with this servo here. And additionally, if you know any tips or tricks to make it sit true center, let me know. I'd be happy to get this thing set so I didn't have to adjust the sub trim, just being satisfied knowing it's true center. But hey, that's why they have that adjustment. And then as well, figuring out for my last servo, because it just kept getting loose, thread locker. That's going to be a big help to lock down that servo horn, so it doesn't come loose, because I didn't know what I was missing. That's what I was missing right here. All right, got the servo centered and got the servo horn on, and everything works out. So let's get this slapped inside the car. Rock and roll, new servo in, looking good. Gonna check my alignment. Everything is put back together. Set my endpoints, set some of those parameters, and we're gonna be sliding again. Let's go, boy! All right, I'll see you guys at the track. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, learned a little bit of something, cause I'm just learning as we go, sliding as we go, never stop evolving.
This is Fred. Fred runs his own landscaping business.
With my two brothers.
They take their business very seriously.
Something, cause I'm just learning as we go, sliding as we go, never stop evolving.
In some ways I'm truly different.
pocket. You know what I want, girl, I'm tryna make you my chick.